Can't stop, won't stop, get guap. 10 white toes and them toy flip-flops. Manicures and pedicures, I'm always tip-top. When they say I'm not hot, all these lies need to stop. Cause I'm icy, wifey, haters wanna fight me.
Oh, honey. Oh, honey. Honey. Oh, 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 oh. Honey, cause look. Hold on. Pause the music. No, girl, I can't pick up the kids today. I'm sorry. I'm just, you know, I'm busy. You know, I can't watch the kids today. It's just not happening. Like, it's just not with this doo-doo, honey. Yes. Excuse. Okay, this is fine. It's fine in the Lord's name, amen. All right. Oh my god, I just don't know what to do. Let's look at the back. I don't know how that looked, but honey. All right, well, thank you guys for watching. What else do I need to say? Oh my gosh, I love this. Hi, so welcome to today's video. Doing another wig review, but first of all, can we just, y'all, okay, usually, you know, when I'm filming, I record me, you know, when I first get the hair, and then I insert that later, but I want to talk about it right now, okay? I am reviewing another ZURYSIS sister wig, and hold on, hold the phone. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, when I first pulled it out of the package, I was questioning, you know, what was going on, because, you know, the picture, it's like that little mohawky looking thing. That's kind of how it looks. But this is another example of, like, you know, some Sade companies, the wigs kind of look different on the model than they do in real life. That's another example of that, because this wig is freaking bomb. I mean, it's cute on her too, and I like her makeup, but I mean, it's cute on her too. It's just not my style. I still haven't even told y'all what this wig is called. I mean, it's in the title, but this is a sister wig. We done said that already. This is another one from the Sassy collection, but it's like a collection inside of a collection, I guess, because it's razor sheet. It's hand ties, high heat up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, has a V part, and it is Sassy RCH Boni. And the color that they sent me is some RT4/blonde. I mean, I don't really see no 4 in here, you know. There's no 4 for me. That looks like a 1, but you know, I don't even care. I'm not worried about that, okay? The color that's on the model is green light, by the way. It's like that tealy type of color, but oh my god. And of course, you know, wash instructions are on the back. Comes in, you know, colors like 1, 1B, 2, 4, FS 1B/30, 27/30, 30/33. The one that I'm wearing, burgundy, green light, and charcoal. This wig reminds me of T-Boz Zendaya when she had the T-Boz cut, Mary J. Blige, like Carrie Hilson, you know. It's just giving me all of those vibes right now. 90s to early 2000s pixie cut type of like look. The short in the back, a little bit longer with a bang in the front. That's just, it's really doing that for me. And the fact that it's blonde right now, it's like they knew. Like, it's like they knew. And the blonde isn't like super yellow either. Like, it sort of is toned down a little bit. I mean, you know, there's definitely still some yellowy gold in there, but it's like a 613 that was like toned and highlighted a little bit. I'm really liking that, especially that it's not all just one color. It looks like that's, you know, ZURYSIS, they never do anything all one color unless it's, you know, 1B, 2, 4. I love this. I mean, you know, I'm sure y'all can tell. Just when I thought I was getting away from wanting to have blonde hair, they just sent me this, and I'm just like, bring it back. Like, you know, let me see. It's sort of the same color as that one. That one's a little bit lighter. Look, girl, I got hair in my eyes. And it's this hair too, so yeah, I just got a strand of this hair fall onto my glasses, got in my eye a little bit. There may be some slight shedding with this unit going based off of that. I mean, you know, hopefully there's not, but we don't really need to discuss tangling, do we? You know, it's a very short unit. I don't really think it'll tangle much. It could, you know, down the line maybe get a little rougher to comb, but I really don't even see that, honestly. I don't even think I would comb this hair though, personally, because, you know, I don't really like the whole smooth look with pixie cuts sometimes, or, you know, with like bangs in general. I like it to be kind of like messy, and, you know, I don't always like it to be super straight, especially with this type of style, or, you know, colors and stuff. I don't really like it to be like super straight. I like it to have like that like messy white boy bang, you know, that like skateboard, that Justin Bieber, you know, that right there. I like that. Obviously when we got it together back here. And you know what I'm so happy about too, and I said this in my top 10 synthetic wig video about like a pixie cut, I think, or it may have been another video, but no, it was a different pixie cut review, I think. Anyway, this wig has combs, right? Not just in the back, but also two in the front, and it has adjustable straps. A lot of pixie wigs for some reason just don't have adjustable straps or combs, or if they have a comb, it's one comb and it's in the back right there. But I'm like, sis, that's not where it slips at. It slips in the front. So like, I don't really care for the back. I want this right here. I mean, you know, I care for the back to look nice, but the comb, it doesn't really slide back here. It slides up here. So I'm loving the fact that this has combs in the front. This right now, like, I thought the last review that I just did, the Friday Night Hair, I don't even care. The scissor looking one. I thought that was gonna be my favorite wig right now, but reel it back, like this one right now is like my favorite wig right now, especially when I start, you know, I get hot. When it starts getting hotter outside and it's not like a blizzard happening. Yeah, this wig is giving me all the life. I'm pulling this out left and right. Like, yes. On that note, I don't really know what else to say. I mean, I forgot where I was even at. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Make sure y'all, oh yeah, I'm sorry y'all, I'm sorry I done got y'all hyped up. This wig is not even for sale right now. I'm sorry. So yes, it was a sample, it's not even for sale. Should have mentioned that before all the hype, but I mean, you know, it's coming soon, you know, once, I'm sure in the, you know, when it's, I know it's spring now technically, but when it looks like it's spring, I'm sure they'll bring it out. So I'm sorry. That's pretty much it though. Make sure y'all check out ZURYSIS. Follow them on Instagram for more updates and everything on all their wigs and stuff. They have like some really, really bomb wigs with, you know, really unique colors. So make sure y'all check them out. I love them. So yeah, all of the links will be down below for their social media. And my social media will also be down below if you want to follow me, you know. And yeah, make sure you subscribe and press that bell icon to know when I upload, you know what I'm saying? Help us out, you know, YouTube be playing. So yeah, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.